General, I don't know what you're doing in this meeting. This government promised us the bottom-up economic model, where they said a mama mboga will rise from the bottom and go up. A mama mboga would graduate from selling mboga in a kiosk to opening a supermarket. A boda boda rider would graduate from riding a boda boda to buying a matatu. But what are we seeing instead? Indeed, it is bottom-up economic model, where the price of fuel is moving from bottom, going up. The price of petrol, diesel, and even paraffin is moving from the bottom and going up. Kenyans are really suffering. Today you are seated here. There is no solution you are offering, and yet you know very well that these Kenyans can't manage with the current crisis. You being a participant in increment of the fuel prices, do you think you are being reasonable as a Director General? Why are you killing Kenyans? Why are you exporting Kenyans to heaven the way your boss said that mambo ni matatu? Mbona mmechagua ya mwisho ya kupeleka Kenyans to heaven? We will not allow you as members of parliament to continue frustrating Kenyans. It will not be done under our watch. And in this committee, we will ensure that we deal with you circumfoniously.